Hey guys, today we're making a rum cake. This was so delicious, moist, and flavorful. So without further ado, let me show y'all how to make it. So in a small bowl, add your cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Give that a whisk and set it aside while we start on our wet ingredients. In a small bowl, you want to add your fresh and cold egg whites. We're going to mix this on the highest setting until it becomes frothy. Once it reaches that point, you want to slowly add in your granulated sugar, and again, this is on the highest setting, and we're going to be making a meringue, so mix this until your egg whites form stiff peaks. Now we're going to take another small bowl, and you want to cream together your butter and your sugar until it's nice and whipped together. Now you want to add in your vegetable oil, vanilla extract, and your egg yolks. Once that's done, you're going to add half of your dry mix to your wet mix, and then we're also going to add in our buttermilk to this, and you're just going to alternate until your ingredients are all mixed together. Next, you want to use your rum. I'm using Captain Morgan Spice Rum. And lastly, to complete our batter, you're going to add your egg white meringue to this, and you're going to use a rubber spatula to fold this together. Once your batter is ready to go, pour it into a greased baking pan and put it in the oven at 350 for 60 to 75 minutes. If it starts browning too much at the top before it's done in the inside, cover it with foil. Now we're going to move on to kind of a rum simple syrup, I would call it. You're going to start by melting down your butter and adding your sugar, and you're also going to add some water to this. And you're just going to mix this together until all the ingredients are incorporated. And once it's off the heat, you want to add in your rum. Just be careful that it's not too hot because it will boil up really quickly. But once that's done, you just want to poke some holes into your cake just so that this can really soak into the cake. And be aware, the more you put of this, the more that rum flavor will really get into this cake. Mine was low-key stronger than what I wanted it to be, but it was still good. And then I just made a real simple glaze to go on top: powdered sugar, vanilla extract, Captain Morgan, and heavy cream. And then I just put this all over my cake. This is optional. If you want to add it, go for it. If not, you don't have to. But once your cake is ready, go ahead and slice into it and dig in. This cake was so soft and so moist, so I definitely recommend, again, just be careful with that simple syrup because that definitely can make the rum flavor strong. And I just added some cinnamon and brown sugar just to add a little bit of oomph because it was looking kind of boring and bland. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the recipe. If y'all try it out, let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all shortly with another video.